Hi, I'm Sam from Fine Country. Welcome today to West Haddon in Northamptonshire. Behind me, number 8 High Street. A beautiful Georgian house that's been modernised and improved, right opposite the village church and in the centre with all the amenities close by. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Behind this rendered elevation and Georgian entrance door is a splendid property that's been renovated extensively by the present owners. There's double glazed sash windows across the front of the property, a super sitting room with fireplace with stone surround, doors that lead off to the conservatory, and a bespoke fitted kitchen with granite work surfaces, range and ceramic tile floor. There's also a cloakroom and stairs that lead off to the first floor landing, where the property has 4 double bedrooms, all with views across the frontage towards All Saints Church. There are 2 ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. The house also has planning permission for an adjacent dwelling at number 10, which can be seen more extensively on the Daventry District Planning Portal. The gardens are delightful, with views from the conservatory. There's landscape borders and a double garage with ample off-road parking. It's a real sun trap with south-facing aspect. You join me at the end of the tour in these delightful landscape gardens, well stocked with flowers and a perfect place to entertain with the terrace behind me. But if you'd like to know more about this property, then contact me on the details that are about to follow.